Hello, welcome everyone. Today's dish is simple and easy potato crispy bites. Come on, let's start. We have to take potatoes to after taking them peel the potatoes. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. Cut the potatoes in cube shape. Keep remaining cuts potatoes for another recipe. Add it to the water so as much as starch gets removed. Keep the pan on stove in medium flame. Add some water. When water gets boiled, add potatoes in it. Boil potatoes for 10 to 12 minutes. Strain the water. Take a bowl, add boiled potatoes, salt ¼ teaspoon, ginger powder ½ teaspoon. Red chili powder ½ teaspoon and oregano to pinch and mix well. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. Now take a breadcrumbs to cup. Eggs 2. Flour 1 cup. Take potato, add in flour, then egg, next in breadcrumbs coated well with all ingredients. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. Repeat this process with all left potatoes. Keep the pan on stove in medium flame. Heat cooking oil. When oil gets heated, add coated potatoes. Cook in low flame till it's changed the color golden and crispy. Remove from pan. Potato bites is ready to serve with friends and family. Very tasty and crispy. I like it. You must try this recipe. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye.